My relationship with TDR basically began with the WHO TDR Clinical Research Development Fellowship. And so I was a TDR fellow in 2016, fully funded by the TDR to do a placement at GlaxoSmithKline in Belgium. I think for me, what stands out the most was the fact that its mission at that time was to build capacity, research capacity for scientists, early career scientists who are coming from low and middle income countries. And so for me at the time, as a junior clinical researcher coming from a developing country, I think that was a great opportunity and a great vision for TDR to be supporting us to gain, research skills, capacity by placement in some of these pharmaceutical organizations in the developed world. The impact of the TDR placement has been massive, actually. So I did a 1 year placement at GlaxoSmithKline in Belgium, and at that time I was working on the RTSS malaria vaccine in terms of research projects and trials that were happening, looking at its co-administration with other pediatric vaccines. And so from a public health perspective, one, that was my chance to take part and participate in one of the very first malaria vaccines that was available at the time. And then from a career perspective, I went back to my home country. I proceeded to complete my PhD at Kemre Wellcome Trust Research Program. And of course, the skills that I gained during the time I was in GSK was very useful in terms of being able to apply, say, protocol design into designing my own protocols, and even in terms of general skills in study conduct that I used also to apply during my data collection and research work that informed my PhD. And in fact, in terms of looking at it in a 360, I am now working for GlaxoSmithKline in Belgium within the vaccines portfolio for the respiratory syncytial vaccine. And I think that would not have been possible if I had not done my placement, if I had not gotten those skills in, clinical and vaccine trials research that I did following my sponsorship from TDR at GSK.